Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and I am doing the flip through of the file folder journal from the Dollar Tree challenge that I made. I was gonna film this process on camera and then I forgot to turn it on. Aye. So this is going to be part of the giveaway along with the hardcover journal. Plus, for the two winners, I'm going to have two separate winners. I'm going to put in some extra goodies. And then I will also have a coupon code for a discount and or maybe, I can't decide. Probably a free kit is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do the drawing for the winners on October 7th. So right now you kind of are wrapping up your journals and either making a short video and posting it in the Facebook group or making a video for YouTube or posting pictures in the in my group. And then I'm going to take all those names of the participants, and then that will give me a little bit of time to collect all the names, and then I will do the drawing on Thursday, October 7th. All right, we're going to have guests during that time because it's fall break, but I'm hoping that I can still kind of get it done and ready for Thursday, October 7th. All right, so back to this. I used some Dollar Tree wired ribbon for the closure, and I'm going to try and figure out something I can do to de-glitter, but man, this journal has a lot of glitter. So here's the cover. I did use a file folder. I folded it over on both the front and the back and did some stitching and secured everything down. There's one of the tags in the front and in the back that I made with the contact paper. And then there's some tags from the paper pad that I'm trying to use up. This is one of the pages that we made with the kids. The belly band, some tags. This one and this one. If you were a ghost, you would still be my boo. Pretty cute. Lots of sewing on the edges. And there's a little bat. Lots of places if you want to journal and use this as your October daily. A couple little cards here tucked in. This, I took a napkin from the Dollar Tree and I just kind of decoupaged it. And on the other side, I made this a while back to use as collage fodder in some art journaling, but I thought it was really kind of fun for the Halloween journal. Coffee dyed paper, a journaling card, and paper clip made with the contact paper. The other side with a little tuck. Here's another page that I made. This is on wax paper. Thought that was fun. Kind of goes with Halloween. Some journaling cards that I decorated that go with the paper pad. And then this is the mail slot tuck that I made in a video. More of the other page, more of the spiders, tags. Another tuck spot. This one says, "It's almost Halloween." Happy Halloween. And then some pages for journaling, some tags, and then the other tag. And that is the file folder journal. Again, keep working on your journals and your projects. Post them in Cara, Brandon, and Friends. Or if you want to make a video, that's cool too. You can post the video in Cara, Brandon, and Friends. But I will be doing the drawing for the winners, there'll be two, on October 7th. Okay, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.